What's a turtle's favorite picture? A selfie! Stick around to learn how to draw a turtle. Let's get our workstation ready with a paper, pencil, and perhaps an eraser. First, we're going to draw the turtle shell, which is somewhat of an oval shape. Next, let's draw the turtle's head. Don't forget the turtle's mouth too. Here's a closer look. Now on to the flippers. This sea turtle has flippers to help swim in the sea. Now time for the body and back flippers. Last but not least, we need to add in the extra details. Let's start with the eyes and nose. Here's a closer look. Once you're done, move on to the turtle shell. Each shell has a top called a carapace. The shell is made up of large, hard scales called scutes, which are shaped like hexagons. Take your time drawing these. Last but not least, it's time to color in our turtle. Here are some colors that we use, but feel free to use your imagination. Thanks for joining us! For more directed drawings, head to twinkl.com.